This video explores the transformative impact of decluttering, offering 20 tips on how to methodically reduce your possessions while simultaneously boosting your bank account. It's a tale of personal growth, sustainability, and financial gain, all stemming from the decision to embrace a more minimalist lifestyle. Tip 1. Strategic planning for maximum gain. Begin your decluttering journey with meticulous planning, identifying key areas in your home that are ripe for decluttering and may contain hidden financial gems. Prioritize spaces like attics, basements, and closets, where items of value, often forgotten or overlooked, tend to accumulate. Setting clear, actionable goals for each decluttering session can streamline the process and enhance your focus on uncovering items with potential real value. Tip 2. Assessing value with a discerning eye. Take the time to carefully assess the potential resale value of items you plan to part with. Conduct research on current market trends for collectibles, vintage items, and even gently used household goods. Utilize resources like auction websites, online marketplaces, and antique guides to gauge how much your items might fetch. This careful evaluation can help you prioritize which items to sell, donate, or recycle, maximizing your financial return. Tip 3. Diversifying selling platforms. To optimize your earnings from sold items, consider listing them across multiple selling platforms. Each platform attracts a different audience and offers various selling advantages. Explore traditional online marketplaces, specialized forums for collectibles, social media selling groups, and even local classifieds to cast a wide net. Tailoring your approach based on the specific platform can increase your chances of a successful sale. Tip 4. Capitalizing on yard sales. Organizing a yard sale is an excellent strategy for converting a variety of items into cash, particularly for objects that may not be worth the effort of selling individually online. Planning a yard sale involves strategic pricing, attractive setup, and effective local marketing. Emphasize unique or valuable items in your advertisements to draw in crowds looking for specific treasure. Tip 5. Navigating consignment for premium items. For high-quality items, especially clothing, accessories, and furniture, consignment stores or online luxury resale platforms can offer a lucrative avenue for sale. These outlets often attract buyers willing to pay a premium for second-hand high-end goods. Research consignment shops with the best terms and highest traffic, ensuring your items are presented to buyers willing to pay top dollar. Tip 6. The potential in bartering and trading. In instances where direct selling isn't feasible, bartering or trading can be an excellent way to derive value from unused items. Engage with local trading groups or online bartering communities where you can exchange goods directly for items or services you need, bypassing the need for a monetary transaction yet still achieving a form of financial saving. Tip 7. Responsible recycling of electronics. Old, unused electronics might seem like junk but can often be recycled for cash or store credit. Many electronics retailers offer buyback or recycling programs for old gadgets. Before recycling, ensure all personal data is securely removed to protect your privacy. Tip 8. Leveraging charitable donations for tax benefits. Donating items to charity not only supports good causes, but can also provide tax deductions. Ensure to donate to ERISA-recognized charitable organizations and keep detailed records and receipts of your donation. Itemizing your donations can contribute to a deductible amount on your tax returns, translating to financial savings. Tip 9. The creative upsell of upcycling. Upcycling presents an opportunity to enhance the value of older items. With a bit of creativity and minimal investment in materials, you can transform furniture, clothing, and other goods into more desirable and valuable items. Research trending upcycle ideas and techniques that require low effort for maximum financial return. Tip 10. Bundling items for quicker sales. When selling online, bundling similar items together can make them more appealing and increase the likelihood of a sale. This approach is particularly effective for categories like books, clothing, and toys, where buyers perceive greater value in purchasing multiple items at once. Tip 11. Mastering the art of online presentation. In the digital marketplace, the presentation of your items can significantly impact their sellability. Invest time in taking high-quality, well-lit photos from multiple angles. Craft compelling, honest descriptions that highlight the item's features and benefits, improving the attractiveness of your listings. Tip 12. Transparency in condition and pricing. Maintain integrity by being transparent about the condition of the items you're selling. Accurate descriptions of wear and tear can prevent disputes with buyers and enhance your credibility as a seller. Additionally, pricing items competitively, taking into account their condition and market demand, can expedite sales. Tip 13. Timing sales with seasonal demand. Aligning your sales with seasonal trends can increase profitability. Sell items when they're in high demand. Garden tools in spring, school supplies in late summer, and holiday decorations in early winter. Understanding consumer behavior patterns can help you time your sales for maximum profit. Tip 14. Redeeming unused gift cards. During your decluttering, you might come across unused gift cards. Platforms exist where you can sell unwanted gift cards for cash or exchange them for more useful ones. Although you might not recoup the card's full value, converting them into cash or a more useful form is a practical way to realize their latent financial potential. Tip 15. Transforming craft supplies into cash. Craft supplies, whether leftover from projects or accumulated over time, can find a new audience with other hobbyists. Online marketplaces catering to crafts and handmade goods are ideal platforms for selling these supplies, potentially turning a cluttered space into a creative treasure trove for others. Tip 16. Monetizing extra space. Decluttering can free up significant space within your home, which can be monetized. Consider renting out a newly cleared spare room, parking space, or even storage area. Platforms like Airbnb or local storage rental services can turn your extra space into a consistent income stream. Tip 17. Digitalizing to declutter and profit. For collections that take up physical space, like CDs, DVDs, or books, consider whether digital versions can replace them. Selling the physical copies can not only declutter your home, but also modernize your collection. For items of sentimental value, ensure digital backups are made before selling. Tip 18. Reevaluating subscriptions and memberships. An often overlooked aspect of decluttering is evaluating intangible expenses like unused subscriptions and memberships. Canceling these can provide immediate monthly savings. For subscriptions you wish to keep, look for discounted rates or shared membership options to reduce costs. Tip 19. The virtue of repurposing. Before discarding items, creatively consider how they might be repurposed. An old ladder can become a bookshelf. Empty jars can turn into chick storage solutions. This mindset not only saves money on buying new items, but also reduces waste, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Tip 20. Adopting a continuous decluttering mindset. Finally, embracing decluttering as an ongoing practice rather than a one-time event can lead to sustained financial benefits. Regularly reassessing your possessions keeps your living space in check and continuously uncovers items that can be sold, donated, or repurposed, maintaining a cycle of financial return. Conclusion. Cultivating wealth through the art of letting go. This exploration into decluttering as a financial strategy reveals the profound impact that letting go of the unnecessary can have on your financial health. Through meticulous planning, strategic selling, and creative repurposing, decluttering transcends its initial goal of simplification, emerging as a powerful tool for financial empowerment. Each step of the journey not only brings you closer to a minimalist, more intentional lifestyle, but also unveils opportunities for economic gain hidden amidst the clutter.